My name is Gian Nomer Fagpalo and my report is Gender Ideas, Interactions, and Institution. First one natin ay Gender Ideas. Most of us use the phrase opposite sexes when describing the categories of male and female. Pero hindi siya palaging ganon kasi gender identity is each person's internal and individual experience of gender. It is a person's sense of being woman, a man, both, neither, or anywhere along the gender spectrum. A person's gender identity may be the same as or different from their birth assigned sex. Susunod ay gender binary. Gender binary is a system of gender classification in which all people are categorized as being either. This classification of gender into two distinct forms of masculine and feminine, whether by social system, cultural belief, or both. Next one is step toward becoming a man or woman. Paano natin malalaman? Of course, sa una ay chromosomes. Chromosomes ng lalaki ay XY, ang sa babae naman ay XX. And sa lalaki, sila ay may testes, and sa babae naman ay ovaries. Makikita naman dyan sa PowerPoint yung mga iba pa kung paano natin malalaman. Intersex. A general term used for variety of situation in which a person is born with reproductive or sexual anatomy that doesn't fit the boxes of female or male. Example dito ay yung mga tao na nagkaroon ng dalawang sex anatomy ng babae at lalaki. Ito ang mga example. Ito ang mga example niyan. Sila nagkaroon ng sex anatomy ng babae at lalaki. Example yun sa Olympics, yung sinabi ni Ma'am nun. Susunod ay gender expression. Gender expression is how a person express or present their gender. This can include behavior and outward appearance such as dress, hair, makeup, body language, and voice. A person chosen name and pronoun are also common ways of expressing gender. Dito mo malalaman kahit yung mga masculine, mga nagme-makeup, ganon. Dito mo malalaman na paano nila ini-express ang kanilang gender. Transgender. Transgender is someone whose gender identity differs from that typically associated the sex they were assigned at birth. Some transgender people who desire medical assistance to transition from one sex to another identity as transsexual. Example nito si Jake Cyrus. Example nito ay si Jake Cyrus na nagpapalit din siya, na nagpatulong siya sa assistance of doctor. Gender is a social construct and arbitrary but influential shared interpretation of reality. 37 social constructs are the consequence of social construction, the process by which we layer objects with ideas, fold concepts into one another, and build connection between them. The metaphor of construction draws attention to the fact that we are making something. This construction is social because to be influential in society, the meaning ascribed to be something must be shared. Our gender binary glasses enable us to perceive the world the way the people around us do, but they also often distort our vision. Our lenses warp reality, causing us to dismiss, forget, and misremember the expectation to the role we encounter daily. Without this distortion, this constant inattention to deviation from binary, the gender binary would appear patently false. It preserved not because it's real then, but because we learn to ignore or unsee evidence that falsifies.